Let's go, masabot naman tayo. So ito yung bus service namin for our city tour. Good morning, Hong Kong. So very convenient, may 7-Eleven nga pala dito. Alright, so hindi pa kami umalis. Nantay pa siguro yung iba. Pero full time is 8 a.m. Papakante. Mads. Ayan. Palis na kami in a bit. Ayan.
It's also dragon, that's why they call it the 9 dragons. And number 9 has a special meaning because it is on next evening, late in the evening, there's also from Jordan, the 9 one.
Ano, Mads? Enjoy mo ba yung view mo dito? Ha? Nakabayan, ang sarap dito. Kasi ang lamig. So kabayan, binigay sa aming time para mag-stay is 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, balik na kami sa aming service. Ayun. I think enough naman yung 25 minutes para sa lugar na. Malamig dito sa Hong Kong ngayon, kaya ang sarap din mag-work. Sakto talaga yung punta namin. Hindi pa summer. Sige, picture ka lang. Nanay ko, kumukuha rin siya ng picture niya. Dito si Porky, ewan ko anong tawag dito. So yun, may stars pa sa baba. Maaraw na. Oh ba, nakapwesto na siya dun ah. Sige, Mads. Okay, babalik na kami. Gusto na nanay ko ng sandwich. Dito. Take out ko. We're done. 100, so balik na kami sa bus.
Dito ka na. On the right, we leave the left side free for people who are in a hurry. But sometimes people keep on talking and forget already. And then we say, I'm going. It's also like the same way of changed very rapidly into multi-international city. Because Hong Kong has like a history that people keep trying to Hong Kong, overpopulated, and then everything has changed. Now everything moved to China. Also the good and the fake things. Alright, now this is on the right hand side, the first row. What is that? No. Yes, yeah. This is nightclub. Those are now this is the back side of Hong Kong. I cannot tell all about the history, because otherwise Philippine policy is very quickly. And then I play myself. Okay. Here tomorrow, day of tomorrow, Ocean Park is here on the left hand side. In Hong Kong we don't like sometimes. It's like maybe once a week we do that. But bananas from Mindanao, like durian compost.
So ang sabi, kapag magbo-boat ride ka daw, you'll pay 60 Hong Kong dollars for adult, and for the kids it's 30 Hong Kong dollar if you would take a boat ride. Daming yate. So yan, parang malaking barko. So yung plane na Pekag Jumbo Food Restaurant.
Aware of all and the thing is also so they see the yes, like this plane. When it comes to buy the crystal becomes silicon and we use it on the Buffalo smartphone. The license is to Las Vegas because they made a deal. The guy from Sands Casino knew the people from the Olympic Committee, and Beijing want to make the Beijing 2008 happen. That was over there. So if he can make it happen, and then every province have their own way underground. But they are only allowed to go to Macau twice a month. Otherwise, they will see something happen. Like we have one, like we have chain stores of electronic, like Fortress World, but yeah. So I will see the same people, and also expensive to rent those diving equipment. You just pass the mid-level peak. You can go higher, but going higher, it's good to go in daytime. If you go at nighttime, I'm sorry, it's very long waiting time. Some of you want to see the Pia and the German last name. How long is 9 Dragons? You can see actually, if it's not misty, all the 8 mountains here from this area.
So punta daw sa may Jewel Factory. We're going to Jewel Factory. Ito lang namin yung tour guide namin papasok sa may Jewel Factory. Dito lang mas may Jewel Factory. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa jewelry shop. Pabalik na kami sa coach. Yung mga shopping. Iniwan na namin yung mga kasama namin. Pupunta na kami sa MTR station. Kasi pupunta kami sa Mongkok. So ngayon papunta kami sa MTR station. Pupunta kami ng Mongkok. So sabi ng tourist guide namin, yun daw yung pinaka-fastest papunta sa Mongkok. Ayun, sakto may nakita kami fast food. So doon muna kami kakain bago kami sumakay ng MTR. Ay kabayan, nandito na kami sa may MTR station. Pupunta kami sa Mongkok, kung saan may mga murang items na mabibili. So medyo na-stress lang kami konti kasi nagkaroon ng hassle. Okay kabayan, waiting lang kami sa train para papunta sa Mongkok. Mukhang malapit lang naman kasi mura lang yung train. Kabayan, nandito na kami sa Mongkok station. Palabas na kami, hanapin na namin ano dito, pili na lang mga murang items. So yun, kasi parang divisoria daw ano dito, presyo. Check natin. So ito na yung Langham Place. Tara. O kabayan, so ito, dito kami sa Mongkok, kahanapin lang namin kung nasa na yung lugar ng mga mura, parang Divisoria. Ito, naghahanap pa rin kami kung nasa na yung lugar na yan. Kabayan, ito hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin namin nakikita kung saan yung Mongkok. Kung saan dito sa Mongkok yung may mga mura na parang Divisoria. Ito, paikot-ikot na kami kanina pa. Yung kasama ko medyo nainis na sa akin. Ganyan talaga pag mga senior, medyo may inimes. Okay, nandito na naman kami sa Mongkok'S station. Paikot-ikot na lang kami. Ayan, di bale, hanapin na din. Bawal sumuko. Kabayan, meron na kami napagtanungan na local dito. So ang tawag pala doon sa street na yun para doon sa mga murang items na gaya ng damit para sa mga kababae, ladies market. So doon kami pupunta ngayon. Tinuro niya sa amin kung paano. Meron din Jollibee dito. Ayun. We are heading towards that way. Nandun yung ladies market na tinatawag nila. There we go, big box! Kabayan, mukhang nakita na namin yung Divisoria dito sa Hong Kong. Ayun pala, andun lang. So, nagpaikot-ikot na rin kami. Parang Quiapo daw pala. Ayan. Ladies market doon. Mali kasi yung hinahanap ko eh. Ito, buti na lang. Ito na nga, may mga nakikita. O yan. Happy na si Mother dear. Happy ka na ba? Okay. Ito na. Ito na yung hinahanap namin. Madami na item na nakikita dito.
Ano binili ko yan?
Oo nga.
Try mo.
How much? 50.
10
One,
dollar one
one,
yeah, yeah. 10
Ah, so
total. The 50 no?
50 for 5. Ah.
Same. 10.
Okay.
Same.
Saan ba doon?
10.
So, mas mura nga dito kasi minabila kami sa souvenir shop kanina. Mahal. 50.
Sisi maganda.
Maganda daw, maganda.
Okay.
Thank you. Yung mga nabili na kami. So, konti lang kasi wala naman na siya nagustuhan.
Hi. Hi.
Bumili na kami mga pasalubog namin. Saan meron? Ano? Okay, so bumili rin ako dito. I have my own. Thank you.
Okay, nasa 75 ka naman. Oh, 75 daw.
75. Okay. So bumili siya ng belt, dalawa, 75. Leather naman yun. Nagagalit. Okay.